Linux Mint versus Debian versus Ubuntu. Which Linux distributor is better? So in this video, we will figure out which one of these three is the best for your Linux operating system. So first thing, if you're a beginner and desktop user, then Linux Mint is the one for you. If you're an advanced user and you prefer servers, then Debian is the one for you. If you're just a general user or you're an enterprise, the Ubuntu is the right one for you. So they have as well their ups and downs. Linux Mint is best used for that. It's based on Ubuntu with a focus in ease of use, multimedia support included on default, and a gentle learning curve. It's known for its cinnamon desktop environment and simple installation process. You can just click onto this download right here in order to install it. And it's making it ideal for those transitioning from Windows or who prefer a traditional desktop. Now, Debian is preferred by advanced users, system administrators, and those who prioritize stability, free software principles, and control. Debian is extremely flexible and stable with a conservative release cycle and excellent security. It requires more technical knowledge, as you can see right there. Now, it performs very well on older hardware and servers, and it does not include proprietary software or codecs by default. If you want, you can just click onto this download right here in order to get it. Now, last but not the least is Ubuntu. So this is best for enterprises. It strikes a balance between user-friendliness and robustness. It targets general users and enterprise with frequent 6-month releases and long-term support that lasts 5 years. Ubuntu uses the GNOME desktop and offers excellent hardware support and security features. It's get it's used by all of this right here. It has best scalability and strong community. So whenever which one is the right one for you is the best one right there. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.